Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. If you are suffering from type 1 diabetes, then there is a good news for you. There is a breakthrough in the field of medical sciences. And this is not only a scientific achievement, actually it's a beacon of hope. Yes, you know that millions of people worldwide are suffering from type 1 diabetes. And they are in constant need for blood sugar monitoring, injections, and also there are a risk of complications. So many things are associated with type 1 diabetes. But China's scientists have done something very special. They actually used a stem cell to produce insulin in your body naturally. And that is the medical breakthrough. Okay, that is the breakthrough we are talking about in this video. Recently this thing has happened, though this is still not being used worldwide because the tests were made, means clinical trials were made only on 3 patients. And right now I am talking about only one woman, yes, means she was a female patient. So on her body, this experiment was conducted and the scientists got success. Okay, but in total number of patients included in this trial were only 3. Only 3. Okay, that means a larger number of trials, clinical trials are required for the purpose of validation, and that is known to you. Anyway, what was the research work actually? Actually, what they done, means I am talking about China's scientists, okay. They collected cells from her body, likely skin or blood cells, okay. And then they reprogrammed the cells. Into induced pluripotent stem cells. First, they collected cells from the woman's body, likely skin or blood cells. Then they reprogrammed the cells into induced pluripotent stem cells. In short, this is called iPSCs. Okay, iPSCs means induced pluripotent stem cells. And these special cells can turn into nearly any cell type. Okay, these special cells can turn into nearly any cell type. Then, the scientists chemically guided these special cells to become insulin-secreting beta-like cells. And these are those cells which are actually absent in type 1 diabetes patients. Means not absent, better to say, these are the very cells which are actually destroyed in type 1 diabetes. Okay, these are destroyed. So what was the result? The woman's body started producing insulin naturally. So that way what happened? First, reducing the need for external insulin therapy, and eventually eliminating the need for external insulin therapy. This was the achievement. Her own body started producing insulin naturally. This is the achievement. But right now, what is the problem? Because this clinical trial was made only on 3 patients. So just depending on this result, this thing cannot be applied for all the patients, because you know that millions of people worldwide are suffering from the type 1 diabetes, this problem, okay. That means a larger number of clinical trials are required. Results as well as safety, all these things, safety, that thing also should be kept in the mind of the scientists. So results as well as safety of the patients must be considered, means they need to be validated scientifically. So we can say that there is a beacon of hope means in near future we can see the treatment procedure like this. So this is most personalized treatment, and this is no doubt a breakthrough in the field of regenerative therapy. Okay, so this was all about today's topic. This was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video fascinating, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.